Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign in on Revolut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Revolut app on your phone. Then once you have opened your phone and tapped on sign in, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Now you have option of simply providing your phone number directly and tapping on continue for you to sign in. Otherwise you can always sign in with your Google, with your Apple ID and your email address. Now whichever one you prefer, you can go ahead, choose it and sign in with. But in case you have forgotten or lost access to your phone number, which is given on top, if you have created with your phone number, you can always tap on it and you can get a recovery section where you can add a new phone number to connect with, and you can always sign in with a new account like that. So that's basically how it works. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.